guys, so we're gonna read Radio Man for the third time. This book is titled Radio Man, and the author is Doris. So, in the story Radio Man, remember I told you to think about words like migrant, farmer, worker. We talked about ripe, the word that was ripe, when something is right. We also talked about Diego, the boy and his family who moved from state to state picking fruits and vegetables. And we said that fruits were in an orchard. So that orchard was one of the words that we talked about during the story. So I want you to revisit when you think about the story after listening to it again. Think about all the words that we've learned. Also, I would like for you to ask, how do you think Diego feels about having to move so many times? Because he had to move a lot. That's what made him a migrant. That means that you move from place to place. And also, before reading the story or listening to the story again, I want you to think about who is Radio Man and who calls him that. And what kind of work does Diego's family do? So I gave you a couple of clues to think about. Heads up during the story when you're listening to it. And also listen out for those words that we talked about again in the story. Remember, this story is in English and in Spanish. So if you want, you can listen to it in both ways. Okay? Hope you enjoy the story. Bye-bye.